Zoe, tell everybody we have an important message today. Hopefully they see it quick enough to get the deal. Now, here are the dish pans that I buy that I absolutely love. They're Sterilite. They're 4.5 gallons and I grow a ton of stuff in them. I've grown zucchini in here, tomatoes, radishes, everything. You name it, you can grow it in there, especially for vegetables. Now, here is the red one. It's a little smaller. Let me show you the labels so you can see it. Can you see that? It's 12 quart, so it is a little smaller. Now, right now, the reason I want to throw this video up really quick is I just discovered that Home Depot's got these on sale for an incredibly cheap price. I don't know why, but a lot of stores sell the red dish pan, even though it's a little smaller. And you know, I've been using them for years. I've never had one of those break. I've never had a black one break on me. Keep it outside in the sun. It's amazing. But going back to the red one today, it's a little bit smaller. You can still grow tons of stuff in here. Right now, I'm keeping all my plants in here that I'm planting out in the garden. But I think they've got them for under $4. I will tag it under the video. I don't know if you can go to the store and buy it. I'm gonna say probably not, because it must be a special deal like Walmart had last year that I went ahead and told you about. And everybody bought them and they were so incredibly cheap. Well, right now they've got them cheap again. I can't figure out why sometimes on websites I've seen them as high as $12 a piece. Is it the color? Is it, you know, something that people love? You tell me. But as far as these dish pans, I don't need any more myself, because when they had them on sale last year, I went ahead and I bought like, oh my gosh, I can't remember, 6 cases of them, 8 cases of them. So I have a whole bunch, and a case was like 8 of them. So right now, this is the sale they're having. It probably won't last. In other words, they'll sell them out quick, or the price will change. Everybody's excited right now. I don't know. The dogs are excited. Wow, this is a super deal. No, the truth is, getting away from the dogs, I think Sterilite goes ahead and rotates their products through different companies. Now, I buy all my totes in the garden, you know, from Walmart, and they have them on sale many times for under $5 each. Those are 18-gallon totes. But you have to keep an eye out. It might be a certain color. It might be something that, let's say, Sterilite has too many of. It's not selling right now. So then they go ahead and they have this blowout sale where you have to buy like 6 or 8 of them. Right now, Home Depot's got it on sale. I discovered it yesterday or the day before, and they probably get a certain amount until they sell out. So I just wanted to come on and tell you this is a super deal. I'm telling you, these are fantastic. And the red ones really show up nice. The black ones, though, are, I'm going to have to say the black ones are my favorite. See, I'm growing squash down there, and I've been using them for years. I've got I've got cilantro growing, walking onions growing, and that I set up as a hummingbird feeder station, and I've got marigolds in there, chia seed growing, lettuce, so many things, walking onions in that one too. I use it all over the garden. I mean, everywhere, the black ones. But these are just a little bit bigger. These are a little bit smaller, but still good enough to grow a lot of things in it. It might be, I don't know if you can grow zucchini in there, but you probably could grow cucumbers and sit it where you want. Watermelon, maybe if you let the plant only do 1 or 2, but this would be fantastic for tomatoes and radishes and any herb you want. And they're so versatile, and you can carry them and move them wherever once you set them up in your garden that you want. Is that not beautiful? So this is just a heads up, super sale. You go into the store and you go to buy one of those Sterilite. Sterilite is flexible. It seems to take the sun and the outdoor weather beautifully. Actually, it would look quite showy in the house if you had to move them in the house. So that's it. Just wanted to kind of touch base with you and let you know that the black ones are still under $5. I've got probably 50 of these. And like I said, out of all the ones I've got and all the years, oh my goodness, 6, 7 years I've been growing in these, I've never had one break. Occasionally, you know, you buy flower pots from different stores like Dollar Tree or wherever you go. You could go to Walmart and Target and buy flower pots. And they do eventually crack, you know, and then you toss them out, or trash cans you buy cheap, they'll break. These don't. These really, for me, weather fantastic. And, you know, our weather gets to over 100 degrees many times in the summer, and yet they keep going strong. Absolutely love them. These are many years old. These have to be about 5 or 6 years old too. So I just wanted to kind of let you know, super sale, great price if you buy the lot that they've got. And I did notice, I hope it's for you, but when I look at the ad, it says Home Depot has got free shipping, so you can't beat it. So with that, have a wonderful day. Start growing. It is so important to grow. And we're going to talk a lot about starting seeds, because that is another very important topic on starting and saving and storing seeds for yourself for every year. So with that, have a wonderful day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye. Oh, cool. Okay, you guys got to get planted, hopefully this week.